Welcome to our lesson of food in Bemba translated to English. Ichungwa, an orange. Ipela, guava. Chipushi or myungu, pumpkin. Shrimbi, cucumber. Matimati, a tomato. Kanyense, onion. Inama, meat. For meat, if you want to say, for example, beef, you'd say inama ya ng'ombe. So it's the meat that comes from a cow. Chihuahua, pumpkin leaves. This is by no means an exhaustive list, and this is just a picture of some of our Zambian food that I had prepared. So we have nshima here, and then this is okra or delele, and then fish or isabi. We'll continue to the next part. Mchele, salt, amafuta, so cooking oil. Isabi, fish. Shuka or just sugar is sugar. Amenshi, water. Chilashi, Irish potato. Chumbu or ifyumbu, if they're a lot, sweet potato. Ubunga, cornmeal powder or what we call mealie meal. Yembe or yembe is mango. Mupunge or mupunga is rice. Nyanje, itaba, amataba is maize. Amataba is the plural form if you have a lot of maize. Or corn. Ndimu, lemon. Ichilemba is beans. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.